Hi guys, thank you again for coming back to my channel here on YouTube. I just want to take this moment to say God bless you, and whatever it is you may be facing today, I pray that He gives you a clear mind and have you focus on your purpose despite the distractions that may be in front of you, beside you, around you, that you will still look to that light of where you want to be. So thank you again. I probably said that before. Well, I'm just keeping this natural, so my arms and all of that stuff, because you know what I portray on this channel is not perfection. It is the real thing, the real you. I mean, as one develops. And this morning I will be sharing with you my garden, or part of my garden that I have going on. So here we go. My garden is still in progress. As you can see, let me try to do a close-up. It's very sunny. I got some new plants in. This one's from a friend of mine. Oh, and meet my knight in shining armor. He's a bit rusty, but I'm gonna be polishing him up very soon. And as you can see, that's me walking on stones, guys. And from time to time I come out. Once you see the yellow leaves, once they bow down, I come up and I trim them up so that they look so much better. The garden is still in progress. I have different things in pots, trying to have things grow. Don't know if they'll be successful. I do need some more color in my garden. As you can see, this fern right here, I had my husband pull it up from my backyard, and it's in transition. So once it really, once I think, it gets to the point where it's growing, I will go in and cut out the brown or the dead leaves, the dead ferns from it, so it will look better. And this is my mailbox planter, an old mailbox that I have some plants in, but I do take it down from time to time. So because these flowers do get damaged by the sun. A peperomia, and this is a crimson queen, Hoya crimson queen. I think this is a crimson queen. Look at those beautiful pink leaves before they go green and white. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it's in progress. I do hope you enjoy my garden and that you get motivated to start one. It is hot and I am sweating, so you know what? I'm gonna get out of the heat and I'm gonna go on the inside where I will be a little bit cooler. Love you all. Take care. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you know when I have new content. Peace.